Which Viceroy of India partitioned Bengal in 1905? A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Ripon. C. Lord Lytton. D. Lord Harding. The correct answer is option A, Lord Curzon. Next question. The fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution by which amendment? A. 42nd Amendment. B. 44th Amendment. C. 52nd Amendment. D. 86th Amendment. The correct answer is option A, 42nd Amendment. Next question. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? A. Godavari. B. Narmada. C. Krishna. D. Mahanadi. The correct answer is option B, Narmada. The term secular was added to the preamble by which amendment? A. 44th Amendment. B. 42nd Amendment. C. 24th Amendment. D. 86th Amendment. The correct answer is option B, 42nd Amendment. Next question. Who was the founder of the Gupta Empire? A. Chandragupta I. B. Samudragupta. C. Skandagupta. D. Kumar Gupta.
The correct answer is option A, Chandragupta first.
Next question. 6. Which of the following is a direct tax in India? A. GST. B. Customs duty. C. Income tax. D. Excise duty. The correct answer is option C, income tax. Next question. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through which of the following Indian states? A. Rajasthan. B. Jharkhand. C. Odisha. D. Tripura. The correct answer is option C, Odisha. Next question. The Battle of Buxar was fought in which year? A. 1757. B. 1761. C. 1764. D. 1773. The correct answer is option C, 1764. Next question. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution deals with anti-defection law? A. 9th Schedule. B. 10th Schedule. C. 7th Schedule. D. 11th Schedule. The correct answer is option B, 10th Schedule. Next question. Which biosphere reserve is located in Madhya Pradesh? A. Nilgiri. B. Pachmadi. C. Sundarbans. D. Nanda Devi. The correct answer is option B, Pachmadi. Next question. Who among the following was the first Indian woman president of the Indian National Congress? A. Annie Besant. B. Sarojini Naidu. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Vijayalakshmi. The correct answer is option B, Sarojini Naidu. Next question. The concept of rule of law in India is adopted from which country? A. USA. B. UK. C. France. D. Canada. The correct answer is option B, UK. Next question. Which type of forest is found in areas with heavy rainfall in India? A. Tropical deciduous forest. B. Thorn forest. C. Tropical evergreen forest. D. Mangrove forest. The correct answer is option C. Tropical evergreen forest. Next question. The headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India is located in A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Chennai. The correct answer is option B. Mumbai. Who composed the famous song Vande Mataram? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is option B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Next question. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the right to constitutional remedies? A. Article 19. B. Article 21. C. Article 32. D. Article 26. The correct answer is option C. Article 32. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? A. Dal Lake. B. Wular Lake. C. Chilika Lake. D. Loktak Lake. The correct answer is option B. Wular Lake. Next question. The non-cooperation movement was launched in which year? A. 1919. B. 1920. C. 1930. D. 1942. The correct answer is option B. 1920. Next question. Which mineral is mainly associated with the Durg-Bastar Chandrapur belt? A. Coal. B. Iron ore. C. Bauxite. D. Mica. The correct answer is option B. Iron ore. Next question. 20. The President of India can proclaim national emergency under which article? A. Article 352. B. Article 356. C. Article 360. D. Article 368. The correct answer is option A. Article 352.